Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to today's session. I am Pradeep Kumar. So friends, today we'll discuss about one AWS services, uh, which is AWS VPC, Virtual Private Cloud. Today topic will cover about what is VPC. Then we'll discuss about the different terminology associated with VPC. Okay, so let's start. So this is our today topic. So first is what is VPC, then understanding to VPC through sample diagram, then different terminology like subnet, routing table, internet gateway, NAT gateway, elastic IP, network ACL. Okay. So first we'll discuss about what is VPC. So VPC stands for Virtual Private Cloud. It is a network and content delivery services. Okay, so through VPC, which enables you to create a network in a public cloud. Okay, that means you can set up your own network. You can launch your resources inside your network, like it is a network inside or in your data center. Okay, you can create your own networks. So there will be own private IP address range, own subnet, own routing table. Okay, own firewall, everything. Okay, you can customize. So it is kind of it's kind of it's a private network for you over a public network. Okay, which is isolated from a public network. Okay. Then this is the diagram, simple Amazon VPC diagram. So through diagram, I will try. I'll try to explain you what is VPC actually. So this is the VPC, which is the public network. Okay, inside VPC there is regions. Okay, there is regions. So inside region there will be availability zones. Okay, and then each availability zone there will be you know uh, and there will be there will be inside a VPC there will be subnet. Okay, the subnet may be private or public. Okay, that means those instances will be the public facing, means that if you launch a instance in a public subnet, that means you know uh, mm, your instances are accessible from the uh, internet, but those instances will launch in the private subnet. It will be private only. Okay, there will be no internet connectivity. Okay, so this is the diagram, okay, of Amazon VPC. Okay, then what is subnet? Okay, so subnet is a range of IP address in your VPC. So first, when we'll do the practical lab session, that time we will create a VPC, then again we will create subnet. Okay, the subnet may be one will be the private subnet, may be the private subnet or public subnet. So we'll create both private and private subnet and public subnet. So what is the use of private and public? Okay, that means the private subnet, suppose uh, mm, you know that database, right? So database doesn't require the internet connectivity. That means the user will not access. So but a web servers which will be the internet facing. So a web server generally the used to launch in a public subnet. Okay, so that the end user will connect to the connect to the instance, okay, through internet. Okay, but the web server will talk to the database. Okay, there is the internal connectivity. Okay, internal communication. So there is no internet is not needed. Okay, so there is the private subnet and public subnet. So those instances of those servers needed the internet connectivity, so it will be launched in the public subnet. Those instances the network connectivity is not needed, that instances will run on the private subnet. Okay, Then route table overview. So what is route table? So when we'll create the VPC, that time we need to create subnet as well as the route table. So route table contains a set of rules called routes, which are used to determine where network traffic is directed. Okay, so it will decide, the route table will decide to which network the traffic will be redirected or not. Okay, so each subnet in your VPC must be associated with a routing table. Okay, so whatever subnet we'll create, that time we need to associate with the routing table. Okay, so through the table control the routing for the subnet. A subnet can only be associated with one routing table at a time, but you can associate multiple subnets with the same routing table. Okay, then the internet gateway. So internet gateway, so nothing but, so basically when if any instance you know uh, need internet connectivity, okay, through only internet gateway it will be reachable to the instance will reachable to the internet. Okay, the internet gateway is a horizontally scaled, redundant and highly available VPC component that allows communication between instances in a VPC and the internet. Okay, it therefore imposes no availability risk or bandwidth constraint on a network traffic. So that basically the usage of internet gateway is that through which a instances will be reachable from VPC to the internet. That's it. Okay. Then NAT gateway. Okay, what is the use of NAT gateway actually? Basically, NAT device enable to instance in a private subnet to connect to the internet. That means those instances will be launched in a private subnet. Okay, then if that instances should be reached to the internet, they will reach by NAT gateway. Okay, by NAT gateway. Okay, a NAT device forwards traffic from instance in the private subnet to the internet or other AWS services. Okay, that means from the outside, from the internet, nobody access to the instance, but instance can reach to the internet. Okay, so that is the use of NAT gateway. So NAT gateway is used those instances running on the private subnet, they needed access to the internet, so we'll attach that NAT gateway. Okay, through NAT gateway they will be reachable to the internet. Okay, then the network ACL, network access control list. A network access control list is an optional layer of security for your VPC that act as a firewall for controlling traffic in and out of one or more subnets. So guys, might be you are aware that two type of securities kind of, one is the instance or server level security, another was the network ACL. So network ACL generally implemented in the subnet level, but the security, another security, this through the security group. Okay, which is which which is associated with the instance level. Okay, this is the difference between the security group and the network ACL. Okay, this is kind of firewall. Okay, then elastic IP. So an elastic IP address is a static IP. So if you want a fixed IP address, fixed public IP to a instance, so you have to create an elastic IP. Then you need to attach that elastic IP to the server or instance. Okay, that is the elastic IP. Okay, so whatever we learn today, so we learn what is subnet, routing table, internet gateway, NAT gateway, okay, network ACL. So these are the things, the part of VPC. So when we'll do the lab, that time we will create VPC, we will create the subnet, okay, then we will create the routing table, we'll create the internet gateway. Okay, then we'll launch the server instances on the both the subnets. We'll launch the instance in the private subnet, and the will also one EC2 instance will be launched on the private subnet. Okay, so this will in the next session we'll do the practical of VPC. Okay guys, hope you enjoy the session. Okay guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now for more videos related to cloud technology, DevOps, Linux. Okay, uh, you know, latest technology, whatever new technology is coming. Okay, you will get more videos. Okay, thank you very much guys. Have a good day. Good.